What is good, y'all? So we got ourselves a brand new taillight for the Genesis. I thought this taillight was branded Spec D, but for some reason we got Junyan on the box itself. The box itself is actually super light for some reason. I guess that's because they're all plastic. But let's open it up and see what we got here. I'm also gonna try a simple installation guide. This thing is probably the easiest thing to install. Let's see, what's this? Some instructions. Probably don't even really need it because this thing's really straightforward. But sure, why not? I also don't need this thing because I already have something for my taillights, because my signal lights are already LEDs, as you can see right there. And my reverse too, but that don't matter. But yeah, so my signal lights are already LEDs, so I've already installed something to make that work with it. So I won't be needing that. Let's see what's in here. There it is. There it is, boy. Looks real good. This one's the driver's side. Nice. It almost looks like a toy. So one thing I personally don't like about these taillights is it has a brand on it for some reason. Like, is that even necessary, the Junyan brand? Because like, I don't want to see that. Like, seriously, why you gotta add that on that taillight? But you know, you can't really tell it from a distance. But I mean, yeah, if you look real up close to it, you'll see it. I saw it right away actually, but that's fine. Nobody's gonna walk up that close to my car anyway. And here we got the other side. As you can see, the back, the electrical cables are super simple. Just plug in one thing and you're good to go. Well, two things, but I'm guessing the other thing is for the whatever you call it, that electrical thing that makes your turn signals not blink rapidly. But yeah, here we got the passenger side. Looks good. Same. It also has the branding thing on this side, which I don't really like, but I honestly would rather have Spec D branding on it. But yeah, we're gonna install these taillights on my car. I'm gonna start with one, and then we're gonna do a quick, easy, simple guide on how to install these taillights. Alright, so I got one installed. It's looking real good so far. It's really nice. So, let me show y'all how to do it on this side. First off, you'll see this panel right here. Just pull it off. Real simple. From in there, you're gonna have to deal with this bolt, this one, and that one, and one hiding in the back there. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Just 4 bolts to deal with. It's real simple. That's pretty much really it. And so plug this one right here. There we go. You're gonna need an 8mm. I'm not sure if you can see that, but an 8mm just to loosen these bolts. And I would not recommend using the tool. I'd rather just use my hands because I trust my fingers more. And that's because you do not want to drop these things down in there. It's gonna be a real pain to get it out, especially without using any tools. Like, I dropped one in there, but good thing it had this magnet tool thing to pull it out. But if you don't have one of those, then you're gonna have a bad time. So once you've taken out all the bolts, it's really just as simple as pushing this whole thing off of it. Alright, so once you pulled out the old headlights, just slide in the new one, and same thing, just screw in the bolts and you're good to go. So once you got your bolts all locked in, you're just gonna have to since it depends on what you're doing for your car, but for me I already have a solution for my rapid blinking on my signal lights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this up in e-tape just for safety, kind of like what I did here, and just plug in just that one thing plugged in there, tuck it in and cover it up, and that's it really. I'm gonna do a quick before and after video